Hello Trumica, it's Mr. O here. It's Thursday, which means it's sing-song time. This is called Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis, and it was requested by one of our pupils. Hope you're doing okay, hope you're staying safe. This is about the 20th time I've recorded this, or tried to record this, so hopefully this will be the one where it all goes right. Okay, here we go. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I started a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, the summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face, 'cause you ain't ever gonna burn my heart out. And so Sally go away, she knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger, I heard you say. Take me to the place where you go, where nobody knows if it's not all day. Please don't put your life in the hands of a rock and roll band. Throw it all away. So I started a revolution from my bed, 'cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, 'cause summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace, take that look from off your face, 'cause you ain't ever gonna burn my heart out, out. And so Sally go away, she knows it's too late as we're walking on by. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger, I heard you say. So Sally go away, she knows it's too late as we're walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger, I heard you say. So Sally go away, she knows it's too late as she's walking on by. My soul slides away, but don't look back in anger, don't look back in anger, I heard you say. least not today. Thank you. See you later. Hope you enjoyed it.